We have got some beautiful fabrics this morning, and these are all what I would call warm weather fabrics. It's perfect for now. The country's really getting cold. We see it all the way across. And we're going to do all these at $19.99 now. So let me explain. This is a wool, it's a wool poly. Beautiful camel. We've got two camels. One's lighter, so I'm going to call this one because it's a little bit lighter and this is a little bit darker. So this will be, the first one will be one, but they're both wool polys. They are woven. A little bit of mechanical stretch, but nothing. But they great drape and great weight. The weight is stunning. They both go with this beautiful, I'm going to call it a mini plaid. It's just two different colors. It's got a great selvage. It's just very pretty. The colors in here are kind of a sand and a camel. And there's a little bit of a dark greenish. It's really beautiful. It's a really beautiful color. And this is a cotton poly. And then we have this next camel, because you can see they all blend beautifully. This is camel number 2, we'll call it. It's a little bit darker. And this is also a wool poly. Again, great drape, just beautiful piece of fabric. And then I put this black in because black just ties it all in together beautifully. The black is 100% wool. It is a wool piece, and it's gorgeous. It's just not what you would think of as wool. It's beautiful. Again, these are all $19.99. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. Then this is a polar fleece. This is Christian Dior. And I've got two pieces by him. This is maybe it's a sweatshirt fleece. Maybe not a polar fleece. But it is really pretty. It's just, talk about warm weather. It's wonderful. And then we've also got it, this is a cotton poly, and then we've also got it in, this is 100% cotton Christian Dior in this mint color. And they both have stretch in one direction. And whenever you have these sweatshirts or polar fleece, they don't have a lot of stretch to them. This is a polar fleece. This is a sweatshirt fleece. This is a polar fleece. But again, stretch in one direction, and just a beautiful piece of fabric. And when Christian Dior wouldn't put his name on something that wasn't gorgeous. But anyway, all of these today and tomorrow will be $19.99. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.